Okay, this is Sudoku online challenge for February 5th. So the best time so far is 3 minutes 24, so I'll see if I can do it in under than 10 minutes. This is not the most difficult one, so let's take a look. Okay, so set the pencil mark. So ones are flat. Okay, 1 isn't 3 cells down here, right? Okay, what about 2? 2 isn't 3 cells like this, right? 3 cells up here. And we see 7 is just like 2, so I may as well enter it at the same time. Okay, we know this cell is actually, this cell has to be 3. Okay. And 3 is also like this, right? Over here, 3 has to be vertical. And this is the other cell that's 3, right? So, and this is 3 as well. So we know this cannot be 3. This is 3. Okay. Actually, this is not 3. This is 3. Okay, so we know all the 3's. 4. So let's take a look at 4. Okay, so I will enter 4's over here, right? In these 3 cells. But, oh, actually, sorry, 4 is vertical here, right? Okay. 5 is like this. Nope, this cannot be 5. 5 is in these 4 cells up there. Over here, 5 is in these 3 cells. I don't know if I want to enter that. 6. Okay, only this cell can be 6. Yep. So, I will also enter 6 in 3 cells over here. And again, 7 is here is like this also, right? 7. And conveniently also 9 makes a triple here. So this cell cannot be 1 because of the triple. This cell has to be 1. This is a real 1. And then, don't know what that means yet, but the matching pair in this box, we need a matching pair, right? Which is 2, 4. But 4 can only go here in this cell. This is 2. Okay, so therefore, 4's are flat like this. This 2, I don't know what it means, but the last digit in this column is 8, right? This is 8. So what does this 8 mean? Well, for one thing, 8's are vertical here, right? And yeah, we don't quite know what else, right? I don't quite know. Okay. So anything else about 6? Oh, actually, I did make a small mistake, but that's okay. 6's are flat over here, and actually this is 6. Okay, so 6's are vertical like this over here, and 6's are also vertical down here like this. Okay, now 7 is in 2 cells over here. 7 is in 3 cells. Oh, actually over here, we realize 7's occupy these rows, right? 7 can only be here. This has to be 7. Okay, so this cell cannot be 7. This cell is 7. Okay, so now over here in this box, 7's can only be in 2 cells like this. And over here, 7's can only be in these 2 cells like this. Okay. So then let's take a look at 8. So 8 up here is in 3 cells, right? 8, 8, 8. And let's see, anything else about 8? I'm not quite sure. 9. Actually, another mistake I made. This is not 9. So 9's are only in these 2 cells over here. And, oh yeah, this is the last digit in this row, which is 9. That I didn't see. Okay. Okay, so 9's and 6's make a matching pair down here. So this can be 6, 9. Actually, wait a minute. 9 can only go here. Okay, so this is 9. This is in fact 6. This is 1. Okay, so then 8 over here, unfortunately, well, I know 8 is vertical, right, like this. Okay, so this cell cannot be 8. Okay, but this cell cannot be 2, so this is definitely 7. Okay, this is 7, and this is 7. This cell has to be 9. Obviously this is not, this has to be 6. And this is 7. Okay, now, of course this is not 7. This is 2. This cell has to be 7. This has to be 8. Oh no. Well, so what's happening here? So we have 5, 8 over here. Okay, and the last digit in this row is, this has to be 9, right? 9. Okay. So do you know we know every single 7. Okay, so let's see, what else do we need to know? So 5, okay. I wasn't doing so many digits, I'm sure I just missed a digit. Okay, 2 is like this, right? Now in this box, 2 is flat, right, like this. So it's also flat like this over here. 1 is vertical in this box. Okay. So the 3 digits over here, we need 1, which cannot go here, can go here or here. 8, which cannot go here, but can go here or here. And we need 9. Well, 9 cannot go here. 9 could go here or here. This cannot be 8 or 9. This has to be just 1. Okay. So 1 is... So 1... sorry, I forgot the pencil mark. 1 is... 1 like this over here, right? The matching pair over here is 4. 2, 4, 2, 4. So this cell cannot be 4. This is a real 4. Okay, this is 5 or 8. It cannot be 8, so this is 5. This is 8. This is 5. This has to be 8. This has to be 1. Okay. So then the last 3 digits in this box, again we need 1. And then we need 5. So 5 can be here, and can be here. Okay. So what do we need in this row? So obviously we need 1 and 8. So 1 can only go here in this row. Okay. So let's get rid of this digit. I don't know if this is 8. Sorry. So and then we do need an 8, which can only go here and then in this row. And then we need 4, right? Therefore, this is 2. This is 4. Okay, so only this cell can be 2 in this row. Okay, the last digit in this column is 8. Okay, so this is 4. This is 8. Okay, and then so in this box, obviously this cannot be 2, but the last digit we need here is 6. Which I'm not sure if I know. 6, 5, 6, 5, 6. Okay, and then over here, what else are we missing? So 1s are like this. 4. Okay, actually 4 has to be here in this box. This has to be 4. So therefore we know this cannot be 2 or 4, so this is 5. This cannot be 4, so this is 2. And this cell is 4. Okay, so now 2 can only be here in this box. 5 can only be here. This has to be 1. And this cell has to be 1. So this is, in this column we need 6, right? 6, so therefore we got 5. And we got 6. Okay, and then we have 9, 8. And then we have 5 and 9. Okay, so I didn't quite get to my goal, but it's 13 minutes. Not bad.